Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can make a small crosshair in Valorant on PS5 and Xbox. So, for example, if you want to get similar crosshair like this, super small and easy, what you need to do here, you just need to open up settings, then go to crosshair with R1, then go to base, and then select color what you want. It really doesn't matter. Make sure outlines is off, center dot is off, then show inner lines is on. Make it to 100%, then inner line length, make it to 6, inner line vertical length, make it to 20, inner line thickness, make it to 3, inner line offset, make it to 2, and then turn off all other settings here, and you will have nice small crosshair. Also, the other thing that you can do here, you can press R3 to open up this window, and then you can select a small crosshair from this. For example, from here, you can give it a name. And after that, here, if we go back, we can see that our crosshair is changed. So yeah, that's pretty much it.